for one of the side. He go tell say sign this paper. Make this point sign. Me say this man with the picking day very good time with you, so that he go see the paper. We don't say not be you want to get the paper, but you contribute to give out the paper because your statement or your write up can make that person get paper between 1 month. Can make that person not get the paper between 5 or 10 years. If they happen to throw more column as a be go here, more get that one clear. Not be go give them, but you contribute to who go give them. If you not contribute, the lawyer not bring that paper come and say make it right or make it sign say it okay. That means na lawyer, now you know the law pass you. In at the law, the lawyer not be the law. You don't talk outside the law. You don't know how the law day, but who know the law now? Given that plan B, say okay, do one like this, you go help. Forget saying that France, not be France. Say not be they give, you contribute. Now all country when they get that right, when that law they for that right. So now me the lawyer say look that to bring her out. My sister will beg you, more leave the bag on the bag on. Or not do together again. Yes, very good. Because talk nothing much. But you don't be a. Everybody don't testify. Say you not today wrong. Now the guy they wrong. Well, okay now. I'm just separate. Good. And bros, you don't leave this guy. Leave this man. Forget any man will follow. He carry he under. He give whosoever. He no concern you again. Remove your eye for your body. What you concern you now? Your pikin. You want to take care of your pikin. Now concern you. So just remove your eye for who you follow, who don't follow. When they better reach you, no better reach you. When they the person here correct, not correct, you not concern you. Because if you were good enough, you not go live on for that person when you're not correct or when you're correct. So that was your own fault. And auntie, I beg you, just try to just do everything for God. Sign the paper, live and make God do it. Make the guy for God the work. If you take care of your pikin. I'm not there together. Get to say go beat you. I not get her to touch you again for road. Only way to bond not together and that pikin issue. Say one say pikin, I want great pikin, whatever. I said pikin, get where pikin grow rich now. You come this side. You come there for bench. Then you pikin know they draw their own thing. You not gonna concern you again that time. You not even come boot or even call you that time again. Self. Now pikin go they call, they talk to. So I beg you, auntie, yeah. We know say the guy did wrong. I beg, just consider that one. Make it just sign that paper.
Thank you.
I let back on here, bro.
God bless you. God is great. See how you be good woman. You be good woman.
Yeah.
You understand me? Now this
Don't
guy.
forget all those talk where everybody they talk. Okay.
See, nobody go join her for you. Right from the upset when this whole thing started, I don't really know say this guy. I'm very truthful somebody. You understand? That's why I cancel her when they talk. I cancel her right from the beginning. I beg my sister. I see they beg you. I beg. You know, do everything in your power for the sake of the child when you get for her. You understand me, so? Just do one. Once you don't get it, document. Make it, you know, go shy support. Go put up for shy support. Make they not go here. Make they take my pikin. Put up for that shy support. You understand me? So you see, I think your inner womb balance now. Sister with one leg, so if you would able to draw money like this, me myself, I would invest for you. I will say, you walk by him. You don't want to ask until they pay house rent, until they feed, until they eat. Let her give her that 2 leg, make it stand. Then from there now, make it come to say you know, come take care of your pikin. Make you come descend this platform. Yeah, then this TikTok here. Come. If you don't see best mommy, come and meet me. Then you go see what you go happen to her. I go where you work by. You feel me? So you be good woman. You not be bad person at all. I never say anything wrong for you. And that's it when they talk, when Joe Bessie tell us, I say he can't twist that story. Now, I look into that matter since. Yes, you twist them, bro. But now, we don't want to hear your voice. All you got to do, now, I say take one tip for waiting, go here talk. I be not be go here talk now. You need to go apologize to this woman for the wrong way you do her. For that right, so you throw away. And for that bitch when you don't beat her, go apologize to her. Make her make an area. But that thing again, yeah, God is great. And they see you around. A lot of people when they say, you know, will let you move forward. You understand me? So you go try one.
Bobby, thank you. Bobby, thank you. Bobby, thank you. Now they broke marriage. Thank you.
You know the shape. Mark Taxi. You know the shape. You don't see your mate for street when you go to fight. You don't see your mates. Rise your way and woman beater. Madam, not mind this one. I know say you there around people when they say he will give you bad advice and it will not do you good. You yourself, more leave this guy out of this issue. You better prepare yourself, stand your own life through. Because the kind of the way you deal with, they'll go drag people for one kind of problem at the end of the day. And not let anybody deceive you. Say, make you not give on, not give on. Mama, what you be there picking? Mama, they name me, not give on, not give on, not give on. Hey, you say punition. Now useless man. They are the beat you, they don't beat you. 2 wrongs cannot make it right. Don't let anybody come. Others for when you go give you that bad, but they get their own for house, so their own worst pass your own. And then those ones, they don't already give their own baby papa or their husband document too, but they will twist your mind because they want me you not be like them. They want me you get frustrated and not say me you go back. They want me, and this is the same thing that they'll call you and laughing for future. They will use that tell laugh you, but you say that help, they help you. They are not helping you. Wait till they want to quarrel. And that they'll use that the same thing to laugh you. You dey grab so my sister, do just try work out for that document for her. If you don't get her, then leave her on Zozuki and you ask my and I don't know, you not concern you. You don't do God do for God do. You your kid go up, you tell her say, see, I help your father, but your brother people act do. You not feel work out for your level, but not all the help on help. You understand me so? Well, see my sister if you do that one.
BBL. Like with my brother. I don't draw this one small one. I draw this small one. Why is Vincent? I don't draw this one. You see that matter of police case, no police case. You know why they put that girl in this and I can't go court? Because I complain. Now so they ever be you complain. Now I can't go court. Now when police go charge the matter go court. Now you will complain when if I draw the matter can't give police. Now I make police push and go court. So now so it go be. We not fit change that until now so that your name go there. If like you know something they can't go court. That's why you don't complain before and police can decide to carry the matter go court or you guys people take up decide to can't go court. Though because now your name go there up. Because now you complain whether it's make you bring money or want to complain about the father and they're not pleased with her and they can't the matter go commit judge them. Now you or go difference and you cannot go court and so it be. Not be saying that you say you must go court. No. Now the armed cannot go court by themselves. The law cannot go court by themselves. But now you bring the attention to the matter and say they ever be. And so it be. Not be saying you now you go to one court. Thank you. Now wait I want clear for that one. I'm gonna do well.
I feel like stop one.
Swag daughter, bear wait first. On a good afternoon, I greet everybody here. What I want to talk, we say, you see this my brother, before she come here, I don't feel talk and say, my brother, na person will be say, you know, they take advice, you understand? And I don't talk and say, see the kind of person my brother be. Yes. Say it a beat a baby mama, which I talk him that day and I still talk him today even before she come. You understand? So what I want to talk, we say everybody say go beg her. He don't beg with this guy. He don't beg her. He don't even call my husband. Make join her. The son. He don't even call my husband. Make he join her. Beg him. My husband don't even call this lady. If I dey lie on mute.
Beg and make them for come back.
No, not be made them for come back. Like make like I want to talk. Like make.
May forgive her for waiting to do am.
Exactly. Exactly. The first one it was make them come back. The first one it was make them come back. So the second one. Bonjour. Then the second one it was make it allow her to see the make it allow the baby papa to see the pikin. This lady, she know me say I don't support my brother, and maybe because of her I don't get issue with my brother. Me and my brother not talk for some months. If my brother come my house, I dey pursue him. You understand? But as I come to say they not date together again, I come say okay, I got to forgive my brother and my brother. You know, guys, they say if you use one hand beat pikin, you go use the other hand take draw near body. You understand? I not fit now come off from my blood. It's already my blood brother. So I can't like if my daughter if this my brother now want see the pikin, it gonna be big problem and they must call home. They must call home. Now me my brother they call. My brother go call me. I will call my mom. My mom will call this girl parents say I beg your daughter and my son not there again. But when I tell her make it they allow my son they see his daughter. You understand? Before you go call they allow they see the they go call they allow they see the pikin. And anytime they go, anytime my brother they go house, if they buy something, brother, you know see that ticket, not show me am. Because they still can't come out for court again. You go bring all the tickets, go to the bad things, where you take go patio, go back clothes.
Esther, thank you. Now all those things Barbie they call the toss, I know they bring anything. Ask the woman if I they come, I don't make sure say I dey carry nylon.
Yes.
But
I not the shoes, I know they bring
I
shoes, but I must bring chocolate.
everybody double tap to 80K. Moderator have comment section, make they double tap to 100K, I beg.
And they talk, oh man, not shut me up, I beg.
Off comment section, make they double tap to 100K. Thank you.
But I Bobby off comment section. So, wait, I want to like this to you, wait. So,
Double tap to 100.
the ticket, wait till they buy things, all those things. Now, even you like and say, not throw away the tickets, they keep them. Even the one they transfer money, it's still there too. All of their day.
Transfer money to who? I beg,
Wait now. So,
Then she go show those things just now. Why she said I want to boss you my WhatsApp number so that all those things where you dey talk, because she want they argue now. More for
no,
this
it's
thing.
not about they transfer money to who? You better get bank. Who you they transfer money to?
Chineke now.
Oh yeah, let her talk.
You better they transfer money to me in the year. I be to who? And they say,
Madam, wait. I know they transfer money for you, but I get many factures who are tell they buy things. No, bro, wait, more first talk this. No, wait, more fair I on this one, bro. You talk. You understand? I know they transfer money for you, but this one with Barbie they talk.
Wait first, not talk. I mean mute you, not verse, not talk. You get what I mean, not talk. You see all these friends when they come, all these are friends when come they talk, eh? Yeah, now your friends. I totally understand, say, now friends, you understand, The one had Maggie, had pepper, do this, do that, I understand that one.
Who they had Maggie visit? I don't understand. Who they had Maggie?
Oh yeah, let me talk, I beg if no, let me talk.
Which one be so they had Maggie? Because now your brother. Which one be say nobody they had Maggie? Now what we weakness? Not us who they had Maggie.
That's mommy.
Point of correction, not who they had Maggie. They talk. They have friends they had Maggie. I don't understand.
go and make you wait. She they talk say that they transfer money give me and maybe they keep ticket when you say they buy something.
Madam, wait first, though. Wait first. So, when are they talk just now? I know disturb now. When you use my tongue now one come the like the one for the first
You say they transfer money, so now that part.
Madam, wait first, see. Not fish out, I beg.
God is great. Wait, make if you don't finish, you can't.
If you don't finish, you go ask her which one. If you get evidence,
Exactly. Exactly.
All those things wey be say if they buy they come the receipt dey before you know they keep the receipt before so they can't use am against them. So now a lawyer na come tell am say if you want buy something, you want buy anything, make sure say na your card you dey use so that or even if you use money, tell them make they give you receipt. Make they give you receipt, very very important. So they go ask her from court all those things. Me and you know say before my brother go see his daughter, it dey hard. They must call your family. Then they call them say abeg tell your pikin make my pikin dey see your pikin. You know they call your parents, they call you, they tell you say they allow this pikin, they allow this boy they see the pikin.
No.
Before you go before
pure lie you dey lie for there though.
Madam, you go let her talk.
If you tell me say na lie,
that one are true. That one are true.
if you tell me say na lie again, I will call my mother.
Me self go call my parents. Okay, when your brother go call me, they threaten my parents, they curse my parents.
Now calling parents competition. I want to do for you. Wait. See this whole thing.
So
Make Nana wife visit talk now.
So as I was saying, so the thing come be like say in one like they can't know say na family they use they like till they talk to am before you go fit allow my brother see the children. See sister,
And a lawyer they
me I
allow
don first tell you say if you're mute again, I no go I go vex. I no dey like this thing.
because you put life in my head.
Hey,
So I'm
don't do
not
that
God is great.
Don't
God
do
is
that
great.
here. He's gonna beg you.
God is
This
great.
is kind of disrespect. Person
God
use
is
you,
great.
say make you
God
let
is
her
great.
talk. You know
God
let
is
her
great.
talk.
I can tell you say you are surrendered with
I don't want to believe. Now they do pasha for you. This a man go just wake up, carry slap the beat woman. Then they mute to sister over how many times you know Chris they mute you, they talk you, they interject. Imagine a man will get out of they do this, they don't go beat you.
Okay, so if woman talk now, so mommy 3, oh sorry.
So, as I was saying,
Mommy,
Gloria, I see they talk.
Oh, yeah,
I see they talk.
Mommy 3.
Gloria, I see they talk. I see they talk.
If she gonna do this kind of thing now, you not go.
If I do this kind of thing now, I'm not gonna like her. What kind of bitch to be on this one self?
The man they talk fast.
Pizza.
That one bitch be that one.
The pizza.
So, as I was saying, even if we don't try beg, we don't beg this lady, we don't call this lady, we don't beg him, we don't apologize. Even my husband don't beg him, he don't apologize. But still, the guy say, no, I don't want this relationship again. Which we said, okay, oh, no problem. But also we will still beg you again, I beg. If the papa wants to see the pikin, they allow they see the pikin. The lady say, okay, no problem. If not talk so, no problem. We can't say okay. So when they come out, for the meantime, they let they see for some. They let the boy they see for some time, which we can't be happy. After some time, my brother say if he call this girl and say I want to talk to my pikin, or one will feel see make I carry my pikin so this day, and they not go grip pick up and problem go come day. My brother will call mama will call my this lady payment say abeg when they talk to this una pikin make they allow my son they see a daughter. The mama go say okay, he go call the pikin, which he go really call the pikin, go call and say my daughter they allow this pikin they see papa. We know they do that kind of thing for so this place. He go say okay. After that period of time, everywhere go dey smooth, which I will come dey happy. See, I never support violence. She know I never support this my brother. Both social media, both in life, I don't create enmity because of this violent thing. I wish I don't talk and say now only violence you know go fit stay for marriage. Violence, I know they support him. I don't even slap this my senior brother. I don't slap him because of this thing. I don't give him like I don't hold him for neck. Say call police for me. Now me hold on, now me they cry for train station. Now me hold on, now me they cry say you must call police for me, and I go tell them what you do. You understand? Joe Best, I be mute. Now me hold on, tell and say you must beat me today. Since you they beat your wife, you beat me, I be your sister. So he will tell me say no, he not go beat me, make her rest. Say no go do him again. You understand? I will leave him. So if because of that one, I should say I can't put I know they allow my brother they come, but only she they come my house. My brother know they come my house for a period of time. Now only she they come my house. Anytime she come my house, she know say yes, say would they treat her well, would they treat her nice, and which is she can't see them nice that period of time. But what thing I can't see they try to talk be say, my sister, you with this man not dey again. Una not dey again, let her be. Let her be. Not be every time you go they can go court, can go this, can go that. And you say not be you can go court. 2 court dates they don't day now. Then they mention your name for there. Say now you they can't date. Now you they can't call the report. They say you know you take care of the pikin. They ask you say where should they work? Where they work? They say yes. Okay. And this person now, if they work with black job, you don't get paper, you don't get a document, you don't get anything. Now black job, 90 they chop you 90 they chop you food. That day when you come here, you say money when you for the work, even if now black job, why you not go fit for inside still contribute for the pikin? My sister, now they do something like if you say you don't want person, you don't want time, you say you don't want time. Good and fine. You don't want time, you say you don't want time, which we don't force you again. Wait now. I better wait first though. Not your mute if I talk, I beg. Thank you. So you say you don't want time again, which I support that. Say that one self as you not even work self, you even do okay. You do okay like that as you not work again. Maybe like say 2 of una not fit join together. So what are they try to talk be say this country they can't go bring money come. Before you don't they ask and say bring money come. That was when CAF they pay you. When CAF they pay you, you know they talk say bring money come, bring this, bring that. She know they talk am, but still the guy still dey bring come see the pikin, go still buy something come. He go still say take this money for hand. He go tell you say take this money for hand, take am buy things for my baby. Una my baby now I give o. Una go laugh, una go waka pass. You understand? Now when you come be say you know say this guy no get paper again. I beg, I take God beg you. I beg, my brother go sit talk to him. That boy will go follow fight. It is very, very, very wrong. Very, very, very wrong. Go to go fight your boyfriend. It's they wrong. And I go tell my mama put my mama know, he know my mother. He know my mother with the action, everything. He know him. I will tell my mama put. Now today, now just let me for a social media now for a year down. Now you tell me that one. That is very wrong. Any man will do that thing. Go they follow baby mama, boyfriend. Go they fight. Not be my be. It not be mad at all, Sam. You dey get me now. So, what I dey try to talk be say, this document, not be you want give a document. You understand? If lawyer tell you say, I beg. If lawyer tell you say, I beg, sign this paper, sign now. You understand? See, not only you need to suffer for join baby, suffer follow baby. You yourself still get the tell you say you still give this baby say, go spend holiday for your papa house. The baby go spend holiday. You go feel waka, many waka you want waka. You dey leave pikin for so person like this, you can't go birthday party. It not make sense like that. Instead of that one, why not just carry the pikin go give the papa say take and they go somewhere. You take and go your birthday party, they can go party you want go, take and go you want go, take and enjoy yourself. This one is the way they talk say, carry the pikin, do this. You know if you see now yourself you still can say suffer later last because you know why this man love the pikin. You don't want to make the man they see the pikin, which is because you want wicked that because of waiting in don't do you before, which nobody support him. Even them audition, they promise nobody support him. Nobody support him at all. You understand? But I think I'll beg you. Now they beg you. You know, if you see my brother, I beg. Just do like say, I don't even know anything at all. You they get me. And if they still call you for all this court and all those things, just I not get quarrel with them. Maybe just they or make I do my own. Because this one be say you can't go cause they pursue him all the time. This guy don't suffer. He don't get to be say the guy go come like this. He go to talk. I don't want to talk what they do this guy. He don't go through metal something stuff because you they suffer because of this pikin. Now only when you see pikin like the thing will come they come to him. He will come they come to him and say, okay, the pikin don't they go come they with the pikin or thing. When you don't go carry the pikin give you. When you carry the pikin give you now, all that talk doesn't start again. Come see the talk to that period of time. I think I'll beg you. I see you as a nice person. Yes, you don't try. Which we they talk for here. We talk for our house here. If I they like or me say I they like, we don't talk and say you not better person. Yes, you don't try to collect better bit. You don't collect bit. Which I not support that thing. I not support them at all, Sam. But sister, I beg, I they beg you. Anything when you do you, take her raw body say now because of my pikin. Just let her just be. Thank you. I beg.
Wow, God bless you. You have spoken well.
All right. I feel go on now.
You be better SE.
So I doctor talk, may I use your boss, bring who get problem. That one they request to.
I beg after swag doctor, I want talk because I be first day here before they bring me down, bring her up.
Yeah, so, no verse. After swag doctor, you will talk. Then you start bring the boss.
How is the person who gets to the day for switch the way for which I will talk?
He did, now your boss, I want to bring him up.
Anyways, ma go on. First of all, I start with the woman. God is great. I will tell you, say you are 1 in a million of women who I don't see for this app so far. To be sincere, from which I don't hear so far. Me, I don't even look the side of say maybe you get blame or you don't get blame. But my dear sister, to be sincere, you are 1 in a million. See, before they go visit woman, we go do it you don't do so. So far, it is hard for this app. I don't do this app where person say, make the teacher I invite deport him baby papa. But your own no day like that. I don't do this app where woman for come up, they talk say, make person tell her I invite swim baby papa or jail him. You dey see him. But your own no day there. See, you are 1 in a million. you really try. Even for me to feel hear the fact say lawyer send you paper, you sign, add your own personal document, photocopies and everything, send for lawyer, make dem take help am for your own paper. You don't go try. Before you go see woman wey go do that kind of thing, e dey really dey hard. But my own advice to you, black say you dey on call. My own advice to you is this. My own advice is this. Use your first experience. That your first experience wey you get with this guy, so no let am dey useless on top the second guy wey you dey go so. Use am learn lesson to take know what you want before you go into anything wey go deep, maybe marriage, or maybe you dey born again, or dey do all those things. Use am learn lesson. Know that person well before you go fit do anything wey dey lead to another marriage. You go come turn wahala kasala, you come carry come TikTok again later. You dey get am? And for this one wey dey beat you, so me as a person, if you are my sister, I no go everly advise you say make you go back there. And so that we no reach one day we come go here say person don go buy deep freezer. You get why? You dey see am? So me I no go everly advise you to go back there. But then no matter wetin dey go on between you guys, me I for like Mona find solution to am. You get find solution to am. See, for this France wey you see so, if you get paper, you fit put am for child support. If he miss 1 month of child support, they fit find am. That is France law for people wey no really know. I know say no be everybody. They fit tear am muta if he miss 1 month out. You dey get? So now wait for you to feel even benefit from am. You dey get? But then it is your own decision. Me I don't know. But for me, advice from me to you, I will tell you say, I know say paper no really, you don't do your own part. But in case if they still reach out to you to do 1 or 2 for am to fit get, I beg, do it for am so that that wahala go comot for your neck. You go know say the only thing wey dey concern una no pass say send me money every month. You dey get am and come see your pikin whenever you wish like. Na the only wahala wey una two go get be that one. Now back to the man, the woman beater. I don't know why. See, bro, if you dey hear me, they talk say they know the correct adults, but adults wey no fit wake up to realize say wetin I dey do wrong no be adult, na fool. You dey get am? Adult wey family fit dey tell say guy man you no dey try, friends dey tell am say you no dey try, still continue with the same habit. That adult na fool from my own side. So if you dey listen to me, so I dey expect you make you go sit down for your room there, sit down think well, say at this stage of my life, at this age wey I dey now, this character wey I dey possess, so is it right to do as a father to a child? You need to dey ask yourself some kind of question. No be anywhere wey be say in anything your temper don high. You don't get high temper, you don't define who you want to descend on. Like say you be Amadioa. I don't understand. See, the moment you feel sit down to realize, say wetin you dey do at this moment, you know they try. Because when 1 or 2 people don't they try correct you for one thing, you yourself supposed to sit down as a man. So it be like say something is missing at the lack for one place where you need to put correction into. So if you know if you do that one at this stage, then you are not a man. To be sincere, I'm sorry. I just dey tell you from me to you as a guy to guy, bro to bro. Yet, so me I go tell you say before you feel even say you want even carry yourself go involved with this child wey dey now, I go advise you make you even go improve on your own before you go even first dey say you want to get in contact. Make you no go use your own affect this pikin. Go affect your own mental health, because a man wey dey fit dey get any small issue like this, he head all dey do am like may eat. You no suppose dey in a place where pikin dey. May you no go eat pikin now go use head knack something. You go jail for nothing. I'm sorry. This one na Europe, no be Naija. This one na Europe, no be Naija. You get the way pikin go take dey with you in your own possession. You can't go get one kind scratch for body. They go descend on you as a papa. I dey tell you, bro. See, at this stage, you need to sit down to know what is right and what is wrong for this road side where you dey. I dey friends with you, Baba, but try make you dey control your temper. Your temper no good. From wetin I don hear so far, Now what I be the expense everybody will see. Oh, me I go tell you. Say make you stop to dey bring neighbors and neighborhood come up. People wey want bring come on now. People wey go find solution to their issue.
I want to know the neighborhood.
Yeah,
If not to say the people
talk out of point, you drop them. That's just it. When you see who they talk out of point, you drop them.
Yeah, so now people wey fit bring solution
the
to
woman
wetin
go
dey
do
ground.
what say the woman go talk to her favor, the man go talk to his favor. So person they will know. Go here, go talk.
Now people wey go fit find.
No be from there you know wetin dey happen now.
Okay, yeah, that one dey sha. Now people wey go fit find solution to wetin dey go on. Wey fit give the advice on how to take go with it. Now I've won the year for year. You dey get am because you see this France, bro. If you dey hear me like I said before, you see this France where you dey, if your name don dey blacklist, for you to fit get paper, they dey very, 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 very hard. You dey get am. So for this court issue where you fair even dey say, we have for even advice you may you softly beg this woman, Mona softly sort it out, may if come up for ground. You dey get, may if come up for ground so that your name go fit even feel still dey clear somehow from some kind places. You dey feel me? Because this is France. You feel if your name don dey blacklist, if you spend 25 years for this France, they no go even reason your face. See, I don't see person for this France wey carry woman come, dem born to reach here, born to be come for, they give the woman paper. After they give am paper finish, the woman go tell prefecture say the man dey beat pikin. People dey mute me again. The day where the man wan go wey dem give her appointment to go collect her own paper for prefecture, he reach prefecture tell am say dem no fit give am paper, say in woman don come report am. Na the same prefecture dey advise am say make she cool her temper, find another woman, say for this one na otilo. So in your own case, if dem never still fit tell you say otilo, calm down, bro. This one na France, because when they go tell you say otilo, you can't do nothing but to shout, bro. Na just my own advice to you. Try sit down on your own. Talk to yourself as a man. You don't need anybody to tell you. You don't pass 18. You don't get pikin. We suppose they look onto you. Pikin we suppose they look you. So okay, he get person we go the teacher how life supposed to be. Not before you to come they mistreat, they do anyway. I don't talk my own and Greek to know my country people.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you. I feel is your boss.
Yeah, drop me, no problem.
Bring your guest to come.
Okay.
Host, I feel talk now.
Sorry.
Yes,
Come here, talk.
Okay, brother Jopez, you can go first. When you finish, I will go.
No.
Go. I don't take for you, but I dey patient. Let him go. I will wait.
Okay. King Nosabi want to, but if you talk before me, I don't mind.
No, I don't dey here since my brother.
Okay, King Nosa, if you go let her talk, then let me talk so that I will drop on the box, right? I no go stay.
They happen.
Now me na Zaddy.
Okay, Zaddy ever, okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Bobby. Okay, King, thank you. Bobby and Joe Best, I see all of you. Respect. I greet everybody, the host. I greet you. So the reason why I come now the document part, I hear give am document. Because I'm an advocate of women return their children to their father. So I want to talk to men. Men don't wait for document to take care of their children. I don't like that advice. You understand? You don't go wait for document before you take care of your pikin. I'm not in support of that. Because you for wait for document before you born them. If na document will make you take care of pikin, then wait. When you have document, you start giving birth. If you born before document, then you must take care of the pikin before document. Now that part make I come. Bros, they don't say me they don't give you documents. Me, that one not really concern me. Now that this part,
not concern you, Zaddy. For not your talk that area there.
No, I go talk the area. I fit talk now. I fit talk. Bobby, I fit come for waiting I come for now. You let me talk. You let me talk the part when
make I come. If I don't go this area, because I get what to tell you for that area where you talk just now.
I know if I talk finish, you tell me. No wahala. Okay. Now, not be fight now. Not be fight. See, some parts they say give a document. Some part they say not give a document. So if she listen to the part where not give a document, they no go take your picking when he knock woman when woman born for her. Is that what we're saying? Then it is all right for me to not tell women say they not give picking to their father. Then I just tell you and I say I'm an advocate of return children to their father.
Go to the
So
point that
if the father, if the fathers not get document, they not go take care of the children.
That is not be one person they bring pikin they come this life. Now two people.
Bobby, you for let me talk now. Okay, I mute. I not go
because
feed
you
you
go
this
back to
one.
the world again. I say go straight to your
bros, men are wait. This one
Bobby, you want to talk. Go back to what you say you come for. Then I will rest. I don't will go back. I don't want to because me get what to talk.
And now they talk now. I say man must take care of pikin. Man must if man not get document, he no go take care of him pikin when he born.
Okay, now very good.
Listen, I take what did they do? No,
bro, they tell you say no, they take care of the pikin.
Wait, woman Peter, you wait first. See, Zaddy. If man not get document, what is a problem? Say you want to be there. Your brother go on mute, they go mute you. You go mute. You watch here. No go wait. Zaddy, you say why the man? If you not say you never ready to fit take up pikin, why you go the pump? If not document, brother, now two people that can't pick on this word. If the woman not say not because of child support, why she open her leg widely? She get every right to prevent that pikin. You make it look like maybe that this man, I need this baby.
When she never born, why they not give her?
I just tell you, one of they come before I talk, una fair balance
Bobby, I don't listen to you. Even as I listen to you, I still 100% say you not even get my point, but not be like say I won't really leave that side. Immediately I say when I come up here, and they talk on the part where some people they say give and document, and some people they say not give and document, right? So now I tell men in general say if men have children, so they won't tell us now say without document they not will take care of the children, because I'm an advocate of women return children to their father. You understand? So if women they return pikin to their papa, and the papa tell us say without document we know we'll take care of them, then the pikin will eat sand. You understand? Because for here, Bobby, you just talk say make the woman give and document. For here we see other women when they on the other side of waiting you they talk say make the man not make the woman not give the man document. So if the woman end up to take that advice from these people waiting and say make not give the man document, if now she won't give the man document, and then this man not get document, Bobby. Make this man not take care of picking when being picking because he not get document. Let us not put it. Bobby, wait. I don't know what thing you they attack for waiting at the talk. I know make we put them on say there must be document before every man can take care of his child. So that's what I'm saying. I don't even they talk to this guy, only this guy now. I am talking in general. We are not going to say even if na black work you they do, even if na black work anybody they do, the black work is okay to take care of your child. After all, now you bring her come this life. So if you say that on documents now you go take care of pikin, I was not even talking to this guy. I was just giving a general message. Yes, if you talk say on document you go take care of pikin. Baba Bobby, it's okay. I'm down. I'm not going to follow that. Do this one.
You say everybody they talk say give a document because now me say me they give a document. Now me talk and say give a document. Now me I be until not me they beg you, God of grace. Na me dey beg I dey call je no sa mutiane wa mutiane abo pinyo kifa wa mutiane ga we no matter man I me wa mo na your wait first then this who be this one I can't pick call you mute and then first all of una for that people for Europe okay come you go down just now see
they talk everybody now you don't even know who they talk you they talk
now me tell that girl say me say make you give her a document. Zaddy, you come up, you say, oh God, don't be people there here. Now, I mean to say give her a document. You come up, you say whether without document, no, if you take up picking. Zaddy, me and you know say you get that document. Zaddy, you know what you do? Carry that your breaker, go meet the tell say I don't need this document or do one offense. Make the keep that document for your hand. Zaddy, me I know how you want to feed your wife and your family. Zaddy, oh yeah, break your go carry cocaine now.
Zaddy not there again. Not there.
The conversation, they hear me. Make them keep that document for your hand. Now, may I say you want to feed your family now? How you want to go work? I be that work when they work, not be document say they work am. Okay, this black job when this boy they do now, is it not risk? If the family they catch this boy now for that black work now, they can't deport this boy go Nigeria. Zaddy, you go sell 50 euro, go give that boy, you go join for Nigeria, make you take out the pikin when they here. Why una take wicked for this Europe here? Where be say una dey talk? No, when they talk, is it because document you can't take care of pikin, you can't take care? Okay, see, come now they make me the verse for here. Now they make me the verse. Now, if they catch this boy for that black job now, if they carry this boy go Nigeria, you go save 50 euro, go give her for Nigeria, or you go figure drag her for Nigeria, say make you come pay the child support, or make you take care of the pikin. The 3 years now when they take pay you, God is great. Me not care now whether you give the boy the not give a document, not concern me, I don't know that before. The 3 years when they say they pay you, when you they chop the money, you ask for child benefits, you ask say this boy bring money come.
Never.
It not sweet. You not be when they can't stop the money now. Not be begin to attack this boy. And are you get document? Do they work? Child is great. Are you working? Wait, are you working? You they work with that document? The answer is no. I guess right.
Yes.
Now you will get the bigger opportunity. You are not working.
I dey work.
Okay, imagine saying this boy by now. Hold on. Say I never said they support this boy.
Madam, ready for work. Ready for work, madam.
Woman beater will want mute in Jesus' name. Never said they support her, but being officer at his side to. I know they support this one. Now what if Zaddy come? He won't make me look stupid in the face of people because I say make you give her a document. Because you're supposed to go straight to waiting in comfort. You're not supposed to go to that document area. Because I don't see a lot of women don't come up, not give her. Comment section say not give her. Super Anarchy, please. I'm sorry. I respect you, Lord. As I did, so I invest.
You say you get point too. That's a big point. Now, what do you mean by that?
Okay, Bobby, I got your point. Okay, yeah. Sorry, bro. Sorry, I think say me I go straight to the point. Sorry, Daddy, not verse. I know the verse also kind things.
You ain't trusted the
God, you mute, yeah. Your brother, they do all this is all those days. Where mighty one where the alcohol don't swear you there, they say she don't mute yourself here again.
I try my best, yo.
She don't mute yourself. Like say,
God is good.
If they treat you like that, your brother will be happy.
Okay, make I give them. They don't chance me for years for this box.
I make my point so that me I mute. You understand me? So because when you people start to going up to go and say, man, if they not give paper, if you know say you take off your pig, any person when they use that word, you are not a good person. You not be a good person at all. Because as you watch most majority of men when they use that word and women, they don't already get to. They don't they okay, they are all done. They are all done. They don't want me person be like them, and which is very bad. That's the reason why I asked that my brother just I said, okay, you carry your own now. You just have to go carry market. May they catch you, then may they hold the document now. Make us see how you want to do fabrica work. Because me myself, I don't say that boy they work. That which we say Zaddy. Now that fabrica work, then they feed the family. And that document when they give them, then okay, if they not give you that document, Zaddy, how you want to feed those family now? And if you go do black job, they call cash you for black job. They're not gonna give you strappy, they'll give you strappy, and you can even go jail sentence put. Now two things involved, either you pay fine or you go jail. Now what you want to make it happen to this guy? Even though we know the guy not good on you. Come on now, more they use our sense. Not be so that cause say not give her document, not be best to give her document. And see if you don't want to give her, now you know. If you want to give her, now you know. But I don't already beg you to give her, but for your own good. So
I'll drop down 1 minute. I'll drop down.
No, people beg you. Wait.
I agree the also. Bobby and everybody will be agree to my mama agree to Auntie God is good. I agree to especially mama I beg. Waiting I want beg you this and Miss White Vincent I agree to you. Miss White Vincent, the reason why me come up no pass say if I settlement on I want or say maybe on I want on the talk waiting don't happen because I believe say on I don't talk nonsense. If I settlement on I want I for say more now try more not bring the woman friend come up again when they don't talk. If it makes sense, if your Miss White mama if I say the person any of your friends they talk some certain things like they try when they bring out how the prospecting the beat them and everything saying no good, you know they bring the job. Just know that person. Drop that
I don't want to know what they want to talk. We don't know now.
As soon as that's what I said, once you don't talk and you drop it or you motor. Waiting I want talk not pass be say I beg Madam God is good. If it makes sense, if any court case they when it be say maybe this guy get where they go on. Me, if it did possible, since you don't talk and say you don't provide every necessary thing to take supporter, I would say if anywhere they anyhow they'll be saying if you take stopper, that court case, you need to first do that one first. Because if the like person when they say maybe they put fire for wood, and that same fire where they put for wood, they quench up. That's how it be. Because without that court case finish, trust me, the document might just be pending. And Miss White Victor, another thing will still make me come. I think Bobby, when I not best for this one, if it makes sense, so I know you talk and say this guy not the work. You understand? If it makes sense, so I talk and say this guy not the work. Then say when I talk and say, then say when I talk and say na black job be the do.
Exactly.
Because more than not vex, so they do black job. Money where you take the buy clothes for those children, you not go see buy sometimes say for your picking. You not go buy say as you see go this woman house, as you carry clothes go. You still give her like 20 euro, 30 euro, 50 euro. Because definitely that black job will be saying you do, then they give you small thing. I believe saying that waiting that they try to talk on and not let and talk finish. You know, people can say you do work, say maybe you don't be like say maybe let's assume now, say I thought we get this kind of conversation. You can't talk and say you maybe your sister or anybody you can't talk and say you know the work or the only black job you will do. My brother, trust me, where you for the end money, you're supposed to use that thing to support your family will not do again. And bros, another one I to tell you, say, for you to carry body, don't go to beat your ex or not beat, say go to fight your ex woman or your baby woman, boyfriend, bros, will not try. You can't go say you not meet my way blind your eye. Because I will say that guy really beats you blind your eye. So say as we dey talk here, maybe now another thing now you do talk. See, lastly, waiting I want to talk now, I say, Mama, I beg. Try anything possible. Make una try and resolve this thing. May not be like so. Sometimes things do that they can't continue talk. You know they need positive response. And so say negative tonight they carry they go. And again to Mama, why is this sense? I beg. Now your brother do this. Sometimes, if it be, say maybe your brother not feel they give this woman money. If you see the one. You get how you and this woman go take close sometime, eh? If your brother want to see Pikin, if the woman not let her go, if now you call this woman, you will say this woman will talk to you. You get this woman self, you get how you and this woman.
Don't say we not get issue. Now they get the one for me.
I know.
Not get issue.
So kind time you just try, just call her. If they, I believe if they,
We not get ask her, yeah. We not get any issue. She know what she do me. That makes she know they come again. Yeah.
Okay, so I beg. If anyhow they will be say if you try and get that better relationship, no matter what she do you or what you go, I'm gonna get that kind of relationship. So certain time be if like the same fast one and this one are not far from each other. If this woman won't travel, if you even carry the pikin, don't see you. You understand? You can't leave this second pikin, you leave the pikin, you leave one for you. Where if you leave one for you, your brother go for Siam. And the one will be say, you say, not let your brother become house and all those things. It not make sense. They say, if you don't want to say, you understand? So I beg, Mona try to resolve this thing. Anybody will get anything to talk when it be say maybe if you the person want to on the repeat, like say, oh, I take bitter, Mona chopper. So now what I want to talk with that one. So Mona will let people see they talk their mind. If it makes sense, make that be. Make that they don't finish with you and talk. When they talk good of that woman, where the woman for the get her wrong, nobody will be not equal with them. But when it comes through West to that guy inside, you're the attacker. Who they do black job, they take care of picking. Who they do black job, bros, I bet do better. Where you for carry clothes, go 20 euro day, 30 euro day, 10 euro day, just to give up. If the woman say it's not theirs, all those kind of things. If you dare, you feel just to give up because of my thinking things. So you don't go take direct.
I agree. They say he buy cattle of Idomi. Not be person they laugh and say, come on cattle of Idomi.
They do all those ones.
Not be woman say they laugh for you.
You
No,
dey
me
talk.
see. May they ask anytime they buy something, but may they ask more things.
The receipt dey with am. The receipt.
I go fit talk, I beg. I don't do the comment section. I will fit talk.
1 minute, I'll calm down.
Boss, I bet lastly, which I want to talk for.
Mama,
After everything we talk today, if I were you, find one way or the other, go to apologize to that guy where you fight, and try one way or the other to apologize to the woman well. Make una resolve this thing
if not to apologize to the woman, I don't try apologize to the woman. I promise her, what do you want? A plot of land, iPhone, how much? I ask her, she dey here. I even promised her to give her 1,000 naira to start business. You understand? Make she for just do okay. Make she for not to dey disturb me because me, I still dey live my life on the low key. I still get other 7 children within my back. Some day school, some day work. Okay, the other one, she finish work now. I need not be 1,000 naira and 1,000,000 naira to open shop for her. You understand? Leave that one aside. All this one are my problem issue. But apologizing to that guy, na error. Apologizing to her, I don't dey do am. I go still do am and I go do am again. And which she even know say it never take which day here. I call her to order say. We know say all of us don't make mistake. You understand? If this thing go fit let us resolve, make we resolve this matter. More settle this issue.
Okay, wait. Apologize to that guy. Not be error.
No. Apologizing to that guy na error.
Who fair fight? Who fair slap each other? Who fair fight each other?
Abeg, can I say something? No verse. I believe that my son.
Madam, wait.
Madam, wait. He asked me a question. Na me Russian honestly.
Okay.
I no go tell you lie.
Madam,
you understand? But not apologizing to him na error.
Bros, wait. For rushing your baby mama, man. Apologize. See, no, sir, I beg. I don't know, boss. I beg. Apologize to this woman and try apologize to that guy.
You know why he tried the guy? He said the guy don't spoil people.
Bro,
they do one or two
apologizing to the woman. Okay, fine.
Yes,
when I hear the woman there, when I confirm
my wife. Now what you ask and when you go there, you say why you dey fuck my wife? Not be what you ask.
I not say my wife. I say na me be Juliet husband. He say he no know that Juliet get husband.
Na the same thing.
Okay, fine. Wait now. Okay, listen now. Wait. Apologizing to that guy na very big error because.
Bobby, reason wetin I talk say na if na bad thing wey be to go where we tell them, una still talk am, but me I'm not.
No. Can I say something? Abeg, Mona, let me talk now. Abeg.
You don't need to apologize to that guy.
The boy go come slap her for where they
use your side, mommy.
So make sure we know the beat one before now the woman. Now they figure the method.
Make you apologize to this yes wife.
Abeg, una fit let me talk.
Okay.
But one thing I'll tell her,
if this lady talk 1 minute.
I don't dey patient. I may be the most patient person for this box.
I don't
dey here today. Una no don't let me make I just talk one or two. I know say the thing where I want talk, so many people no go like her. It go trigger a lot of people, but I will still talk it. I will continue to preach my message. They go, my sister, you make mistake. Number 1, you carry belle for person where you no know. You understand? Because no woman make she find herself in a situation where man go dey beat her. Now it make am be say when woman dey find man, she dey open her eye well. She know they take emotion. Any virtue woman, any woman will be say she's a virtue woman. She know they take emotion. Say I love this guy. I get feeling for her. Make her just deal with the guy. Women when they do that thing are mumu women they be mumu. Any woman when be say if they look for partner. If they take an eye, softly, they wash the guy. Before he go even think of say, make her carry belle. Any virtue woman self, he no go carry belle for man when never ready. Man when be say, he don't ready, say, I want a wife, I want a partner. Let us go and see your parents. Now that woman, before you carry, say you want things, say they carry belle. At least make sure say that man is ready. So that is why I will give you this fault. Yeah, because no woman won't become punching bag for inside house. So now, as you don't born pikin now for this brother now where they beat you for house, yeah, there must be something when they say you they do. Because why I give you this fault, be say you do not know this man and you do not even care to know him. Because why? You are carried away with emotions. You are carried away with love. It's not supposed to be like this. Maybe they hear different way people they talk outside. You did not take your time. So maybe you study, know the kind of man where you go deal with. And my dear, if you are not careful, this circle goes, it will still repeat again for your life. Because woman when be say, she know what she they do. When she want be wife, when she want settle down, that woman, they take time. They study man to know waiting this man like, waiting this man no like. There is no marriage for this world or relationship for this world. We no get problem. But if you don't enter the stage where we say, picking don't day in between you people, it is your duty as a mother for you to give your child a father. If you cannot give your child a father, you have failed as a woman. You don't fail. Because you people think about yourself too much and you forget about the pikin. You don't know what kind of life that child will grow and be into. For your husband to come they beat your boyfriend or they fight your boyfriend, I don't blame him. Some men cannot tolerate that. Some men cannot tolerate their children with another man. When they even the thought of it. Because they know waiting some men fit do.
No concern you, no concern me.
I know my sister say no concern you. But
even if your daughter enemy condemn, it not concern you. You know what they talk.
Yeah, but later
on. Be a lifestyle. Even our parents said no, they feel they talk to
later on, this thing where they tell my sister you go.
If you not mute, then you go get out of my platform now. If you say you not move, you come out here. And you depend me, I don't understand. Come and go away.
I know they talk to you and they talk to other people who care to hear. My message is for other people who care to hear.
You know, mute, you know me. No, go put your platform to the saga your baby papa for there.
I talk to people who need to hear this thing because enough is enough. All we hear now, what this brother do. We never hear what she do. Thank God I never hear say cheating. Maybe my ear no hear fine. Now only beating I hear. You understand? Thank God. Because the trauma where we they live for our children, we do not know. She happy now because say she young, her breast still they stand, yeah, still they stand, men still they look her. She feel say, yeah, she can get any man where she want get. You understand? But let me tell you, my sister, or whoever cares to hear, no man will love your child like the father. You even get lucky, say this father even get interest for your pikin. Now make you they do shakara. If you go meet man when we say if you do one or two, we no get that emotional capacity to tolerate this rubbish where you they do. You go not leave you with pikin.
They say no, you to be your mate for you.
I beg go, me not vessel. My sister will.
If I don't leave you with pikin, I don't care. Look at my sister. Wait, Mona, let me finish. Stop interrupting me. I don't care whether they say this man they beat her, whether the man or they beat her. That as a woman, it's your responsibility for you to give your child a father, a decent father. And if you have not done that, you have failed. I don't care any other thing. I know they talk any other thing. Because you do not know the trauma where you want to put on that child when you go grow up without a father. You don't know what that child will go through. You only think about yourself.
You say no concern now.
You not go concern her now. But may wait. 20 years to come, she'll come and give us her testimony. Because woman, when no one put down, sit down, look, man, where they date. You understand? Even if you carry horrible man for inside house, you go still feel live with that man. You go watch that, you go bear him because you don't bump it for her. You go do things when we say no, go make that man the vex. You will respect the man. You go do things as a virtual woman. Now, woman we ready for marriage. Now, so they do. If you not like, no, I call that woman, pick me woman. She knows why. Because she's doing what is best for her child. As you can see now, this man is a responsible man. He's caring for his child. He's worried about his child. Any whether I do not say a lie or whether I no lie, but he's worried. Now, the things where they go in for in head is insecurity where he get concerning that pikin. Now, they bring comma for him mouth. Every responsible father will sit down and have this fear. Every responsible father will have this fear. But women, you people think about yourself. I want, what even concern you with man where you're picking be baby? Now, what you concern you with boyfriend? What you concern you with boyfriend now? That love where you they find, why not put out for your picking and try to make life better and stable for your child? What do you they go do? Because you too like to make a clap for you. You too like to. Now, what do you like to do be that? You know the shame. Thank you.
Please, let me talk. Let me talk. Please, let me talk. Let me talk. Please.
Sir, no verse,
Mommy Ella, talk. When you talk, I will use your boss, I beg.
No problem. You see wetin Mama Chidera talk, e be like say na choosing Mopo Mama Chidera be. Person wey the guy of himself will not say fuck up. And Brother Bobby don dey beg on the behalf of this guy to the woman say I beg if he know I go take help the guy make he forget paper may he get am. We admit I agree say the guy wrong. He do bad thing. And Brother Bobby dey beg on this guy behalf. The woman too now he show that go there for sky because I dey rain now.
Exactly.
Mama Chidera talk na truth. The woman still get little bit fault. Who sees paid make it talk am. You get so if the woman still talk the woman we know where the woman they perform your fault. We itself we go still say yes, two of them they at fault. So as Brother Bobby they beg for the woman for the guy behalf to the woman sky they fly. We not say yes now time. Brother Bobby they wrong. The Alinko they wrong. The woman they wrong. The woman can move on with her life. Now her life no be person go tell her what to do, who to follow, who not to follow. But I beg, me come beg. So I join Brother Bobby, they beg to the woman, make it help the guy. Because if another woman still, if the woman brother, another woman treat her like this, now so people go see gather beg, she too go beg. As Aliko sister, they beg so. Now so she too go still beg. Nobody good like a violence or quarrel or problem. Nobody like him, but now beg me they beg. Aliko 111. You don't fuck up, we don't agree. Would they beg your baby mama, make it help you? Because without paper, you not get ground, you not get leg. You can't make a move. You get? So next time when you find yourself for another relationship, not go messed up like this. Because a bad record to you and your family is a bad record.
I don't see one person maybe he really gets sense.
Now bad record. As I did so, you if not me. If na me be your baby mama and you can't see my boyfriend, you beat him, I go tell him make you choke you, make you feel the pain. Now beg with the beg. Not be saying na pride, no. Now beg with the beg. Say, make your baby mama, I beg, help you with that paper. Because if you get paper, most of us in the year will get paper. Our mother they shabba ba 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 ba. If police come now, will get what you to defend us. But you not get.
I feel like
you get.
I find one money go me, I swear I get money go me, I give you.
You not get. So we get to
what is for other people.
Even your sister they go the ratio that but you don't have. So now we beg that lady we'll come with our knee for ground. If not to kill goat, I beg in the name of God. I beg help this brother. As you say you love your child, don't often bololo for night born. You love him. I beg help in life. We agree say brother Lincoln 111 fuck up. You mama, you play your own fuck up.
111.
You play your own fuck up. Your fuck up when you play now. They not send me the break come and they blast you as they blast Aliko 111. So, but we not worry. We'll take us okay now. Our secret now. Your secret that you don't hide them. Mommy,
Elena.
She there now.
You say you don't care. Whether
mommy, please. Yeah, now I dare you when she talk. She there now. I dare. She not
care for a pikin. I want care for another person pikin. I don't understand now.
Okay, I go to address this matter.
We know. She talk maybe she talk about she deserves. Mommy, please wait. She talk because she deserves.
In the past,
but when it comes to when she comes if now for all of us as to say they pull out to the beg and make sure the baby the papa take get paper. If only that one if you do for the guy, may leave her for God.
Baby mama she not be God.
Now normal thing say na baby mama, but now to help the guy because if now what you say sister or brother they give sister and brother's document, our own sister will there forgive her brother.
If like say na my son name the beer. If like say my son name the beer.
No say we women we sabi raise shoulder. You know say we women.
Let me talk, please.
If you never Aliko 111.
Wait, I want to talk something. Concerning this case. Let me just talk.
Aliko not talk.
I want to talk.
Aliko not talk because now you dey defend for.
Please.
Aliko now you dey defend.
No, I know. This I don't care. Wait now, this the reason why I go meet the boy. The reason why I go meet that boy.
Let man talk.
How they do like that? Aliko is going to
the reason why I go meet this thing, I first confront.
I'm not mute her again. May talk now. You want to
wait, allow me talk. I first confront her. She said she not
care. They don't talk for you. Oga, they don't talk for you.
She said she not care.
Oga, me finish my talk, my counter. Because as everybody they beg you, as everybody they beg for your beer, just go find one beer till they calm your brain. Because you know easy make people come they beg for you. And they tell you if you be my blood brother, that way your sister they talk for them. Me I no get that head. If you be my blood brother, before the get people go come they when with me I don't put you for where you know expect because I disgrace the breach of our family. I go tell my mama where born me and you say this pan where you supposed to take born another picking come, you go born another thing come, go throw away this picking. Not be lying. What I go do my junior brother now I go do you. So I beg, just mute for them. I beg with the beg the lady. The lady, Mama too is talking because of say it is yes. Yes, it is yes.
You go beg because say your picking only
beg. Now beg, I beg all of us. They beg the girl.
So that's you say that thing when they just they do for the picking parent. They do
where the matter. It's where this matter starts. It's where this matter starts. Now they your platform. As you come for life. Now so I enter. I did the assist or comment section. I did where but everything about Bobby talk or every beg. Yes, I like how they give me joy.
Elena, thank you. More move to the next person. Elena, thank you.
I feel
more move to the next person.
I feel is your boss. I
bet my baby talk with you, won't talk. I bet not attack anybody. If you start saying that person you want
to attack anybody. The bro so able the Aliko self now my brother. It's just that I don't want to come up because I don't like all this kind of for it. I mean, I person say I know the like.
How carry you come up now, sister?
I just come up because of according to not be for me the reason why I come up, I not come up for quarrel or anything. I miss any question. I do yes where the thing start. I just choose to make I just climb up. Now my brother, you know me. If you say you don't know me, no problem. Even Esther, you know me. I be younger sister. Me be the younger sister. I just choose to come up. We go beg the girl, yes. They go beg the girl, say, I make you do everything where they say make you do. If they send letter, come. Not be the girl they give people, but if they send message, come, make the girl respond. Like make you respond to the letter, make you do one with him man. But I beg, Mona still beg the guy, make himself still calm down. Because
if you don't calm down, I know now.
Because me with that. Now the sense is here with day. As it there, so you know, we not a greet. We not a total that. The way they perform, when me will be a sister, the way they get for body to follow me. Now I make a tell us make you avoid me, give me space. We not a greet. I will tell her if you see my children for street, they will make it not because if you see that this one want rush me will be sister. If now person I hold on day here, if I let now person. If you see the way the one rush me that day, no let God next week. But what I want everybody. Wait, I beg. I want to see beg Bros Bobby and everybody. Men are still begging. This person would they beg the woman, make the woman help her or make the woman not vex, all those kind of men are still beg. At least if you get any way, still call the girl. Now they say for this life, now they beg for something, now you had the long pass. You know, especially when they beg something, now you go on the stretch and call they meet you know. Now you when need something, you go they stretch your hand, go they meet the person so that the thing go reach your hand. So that's something when you they beg for, you go get time. When you don't get time, if you get all that way, your man, no problem, me, I not getting problem. But what I see talk, may you see try, see they calm down. After if you call her like this, see they use sweet word, they talk to her. You must not use harsh word. You must not come they provoke or anything. Because now you they beg her. According to what I don't hear now, court done many, and for this fans when me know. If you don't get court case concern mama and papa, they quarrel every day by day. To get document, they very risk. I get family like that, friend like that, to be say, they want collect document. They don't want collect a document. Few days to when you want collect a document, you don't already sign and then do everything. You can't get case with the woman. That day, the document there. That day, the document, as you all reach the court, tell us the document is dead. And you want to kill yourself. I hear one word where they say they work black job. You want to kill yourself. For this one on a copy.
You to work that one, you spy, may they not go.
Okay. You want to do the thing self, eh? He even reach there, even reach the place. He tell they say they work. That says which type of work? It's a black job. If they say a black job they do, they not do anything. They can't say okay, since you get work where they work, you gotta pay the picking. 200 every month. They tell us even if you not get document, not concern. So you talk and your man say you they work. Even the salary of the money where they receive, saying they receive 1.5, they be on 250 euro every month for the picking. They give out KTF. They come up for the country.
Our sister, thank you very much.
So I beg that
black job. Now they put and get say
Thank you
get
very
black
much.
job.
You
And
do
they
well.
say
That one
try
is
to
another
calm down.
story.
Thank you.
If I said the abeg, go ahead. If I said the abeg on mute, me go ahead. Thank you very much, my baby. You do well.
Nari, my baby.
Okay, Joe Best, thank you. I greet you. Bobby, I greet you. It be like say you they get me from the wrong angle, but no problem. I go try to explain myself again to the best of my knowledge. When I did talk now, I was not even strictly talking to this guy where they here. You understand? But I was just talking to men in general. See, I'm that person who believes that not be until document before you go take care of your picking. So I believe now waiting at the talk with that one. I was not even talking. I know they talk to this one when they do black job or not do black job. Bobby, we don't need to forget, say some people they will get documents. Still the process of feeding children. Now the documents still carry them to deportation camp. Can't carry themselves, they reach Nigeria. So deporting has nothing to do with whether you get document or you not get document. So that's first one. When all of us need to get clear also. So people they will say they get document, but still to the process of feeding family, it still lead them to deportation camp or lead them to Nigeria. So that deportation camp has nothing to do with whether you get document or you not get document. That's first one. And then to bros, make I talk to you now. I don't really know waiting make you self. They say you the beat person. So I don't know. And the woman self don't show the character. I think I'm also with Call Me With Her or waiting Call Me With Her and talk say now she decide to make you the father of the pikin. So you not go talk say now until when she born now you start to beat her. Maybe you not date or maybe you not date. So now her choice on who go give her belly. You understand? A woman go decide who will give her belly. So now she decide say now you won't give her belly, and now you decide say now you won't give belly. So now why I tell you say whichever way you must try your best to take care of your pikin. You understand? Most of our fathers they took care of us, but they were not Dangotes. They were not Adelekes. You understand? So they took care of us in their own best way because they choose to bring us. You understand? So man will not take care of a pikin. At the end of the day, yeah man. You understand? Since they don't give you the pikin, if the woman not they let you take care of am, it's another different thing. But if they let you take care of am, not let anybody tell you say you have to be in a certain position to take care of your children. You understand? There are many men out there that are taking care of their children, trying their best for their children, even when they don't have documents. You understand? A lot. I'm not going to tell you, say make you not fight for a document. We also fight.
Double tap, guys, please.
The point when I also they make out now when Bobby they try beg the woman to give you. Bobby not really listen to me. Bobby they try beg the woman to give you, but there were other women who they also beg the woman not to give you. So if you fall in the case where that woman listen to those women where they beg her not to give you, would you end up not taking care of your child? So that waiting at the point when I be the one point out be that not be just to you, but to 600 people where they watch us. There are other people when even the worse situation than you. Even me where they talk now, I feel they're the worst situation than you. Then I feel learn from waiting Bobby talk and waiting Joe Best talk and waiting other people will talk for here. So that's the point of this live video. Most of the time, they always go to only you when you get the problem. They sometimes also go to people where we say they get the similar problem or even more worse cases than your case. So they will learn from other people when contribute also for the matter. Now, there are two sets of people. One, they say, I beg, give them. Which are the good ones, the positive ones. But there were also negative ones where they say, no, give them. So if the baby mama end up to listen to those negative ones when they say they not give you, would you end up ignoring your child? If you don't know say you're picking and they bear your name, you know will end up. So you're still going to try your best, whichever way to take care of them. That was my point. Now, waiting I want to tell men for you. If your baby mamas don't want to give you document, but you choose to bring forth a child, you have to take care of that child. You understand? You need to take care of her, you need to keep receipts. You get me? So now waiting I won't talk because I don't know whether she will give you. If now she go really suppose give them to you. I don't know that she will give you. But I know that you will not let your child suffer because a woman did not give you document. That's just my point. Men, don't let your children suffer because one woman, being a good woman, being a bad woman, being whatever the woman be, refuse to give you document. Then your picking will come to suffer. So try your best at the end of the day. But you're not going to kill yourself. You understand? A lot of us worked without document. We did great things without document. A lot of men. You understand? A lot of men. But some of us don't know. We don't really know ourselves. You understand, Bobby? So, Bobby, now waiting at the track talk be that one. I was not against your waiting you did there.
Bobby, I beg.
Now
I
waiting
feel
at
sometimes
the
take first.
against what you talk.
If I tell you the way your voice still is sono me, you know.
Aliko, you're mute. Yeah, mute. You get what?
Then I need to come out. I need to come out because this is my matter. If just finish the advice me, allow me follow and talk. He's advising me. Can you allow me talk, please? He's advising me.
You will wait. You will wait. Not now. Everywhere is on fire because you don't mess up. You don't shit for church. You fall my hand. For you to go to beat that girl, you don't move forehand. Go to chew rice. Oh God, the way to make it beat that girl, you don't reach anything. So that thing is disgusting to me.
Bobby, I carry injury. I carry
Baba,
injury for chest. Injury for chest.
A boy now, they don't know how the big girl now. See, not go back to this boy again. He will kill you. Zaddy, man, come about this document issue. Because you say something to our father, they take care of us. There was no document. See, here we not get farmland. They only use document, they do farmland. They only use document, they do conductor. If you want to do conductor, if you want drive bus, they only ask away document. You will just go like that. Highest you can do is driving license. That is your own country now. This one are no man's land. Now when we say may not be our land, we need something here to stay in this country. But there is big difference. A bigger difference.
Yeah, but Bobby, talk this one. Talk this one.
You know, say if this guy get this document now, in the work now, this guy don't need to record the. This guy for not even come here call the talk. If this guy come here come talk, say now we will even concern. We say, okay, you get people, I go say yes. You dey work, you say yes. Then what's be the problem? You don't pay for child support. Hey, okay, pay now. Pay and move on with your life. So what you want more come talk? This one, a person see me say, if they do dagbo job, take the follow up. Dagbo job, me and you know how much they come out from inside. Now, who get paper, now they will enjoy and pass. That one will collect it inside, maybe now 1,002 they pay you, or 1,003. That one will collect 5 days, now 800 go 50, now go free for you. And you, the help person, they build the new documents. They build the hospital card. Tax reform, now they collect them. Baba, you know what the you they suffer for nothing. You can do that work for 2-3 years. When they say, man, the time you take build your own, you don't use that build person own. Then inside that 800 now, you can't pay your rentage. You can't pay light bill. You can't buy food where you won't eat. This idea you can't say squeeze stay back out of Indomie go give this baby. Now they say, now come on cut off Indomie, now this boy back. Come, I be no here where they talking for you just now. For person who say me they hide, they don't work, they go. You see they hide me, they don't come arrest me, they don't go carry and go put for Nigeria. But I want to think they look some men, and especially most of men when they talk those words. Even the women, I know some of them they talk anyhow, some or something, many of them they talk anyhow. Because why? Nothing they bother them, school fees not they bother them, aspirate not they bother them, nothing they bother them, they want to shop, nyama, bean, sleep, government will pay, not end they finish. So they get right to come talk blah 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 blah. You understand me? So, but the men when they know the cocoa, how waiting person they pass through for this Europe. Now, if they come they talk this kind of thing, they pay me, especially those men when they already get the document. If they come they bash on those men when they never get, this thing they invest me. That's the reason why I tell you that they say, okay, I not say I'm not listening to you talk finish because why you go start with that area first. You're supposed to go straight to the point. Because you say you don't want to talk about it. That's why you keep on talking about it. That's why when they attack you, say, why you will talk that kind of word? Say if now document not they not go take care of picking. Like say here in Nigeria. Here not be Nigeria, bro. Nigeria, I think you'll wake up one day now, you'll go farm, I'll go carry farm there, you'll get land there now, I'll go rent land. They only use document rental. I'll go buy something, 1 or 2, plant them, it germinate, I'll put them, go sell them, get my profit. You know, I can use them to pay my children's school fees, do anything when I want to do. Even send gifts to my family member. But this one be saying, now Europe we deal, bro. We all know what we pass through here. Even the one where they even get the documents, if they don't even pay the shares of property, everything. Money when they did, they can't they won't see they reach anything ahead of the day. Talk to us who know you get at all. Bro, more they consider these men, they are not animals. They don't be animal for crying out loud. If you are any money you will don't get, people will never get, if you know what they pass through. Even worse past depression, and you go who are join us and make you not the CPK. Problem never come. Everybody go run mad, you go be the curse for streets. The next thing now they give a name say now woman I don't know what they happen because Nigeria is good to judge. Nigeria can use this their mouth, they wash you, they will bring you down without saying they don't know anything when it happen. They don't know how the story will start. The few when they know they will use that scatter your life for you. If you don't strong, you run mad. You don't know say depression, you don't run mad. You are like be makey. Bro, I beg, what are they pity for these men? That's why they beg that guy, okay, give her these documents. If you get any work when you want power committee fast, do one. So that he will fast, this guy will get them. If you don't get them, hey, put them for shy support, make it take care of your picking. That time if we hear a voice from any place, now we will come attack her. But they say a lot of people say, no give her. That made this why people see us finish. Now they respect us again. Now only with okay, they give your woman document, Nana. See what you go do. The first thing you go do, now go they do party. Now go they celebrate. If you ask me, I know someone will spend that kind of 5,000 to 1,500 to do that party that day. And the white people we are looking at, they say, what are you putting here? You say they celebrate document. You say, that's not this one, it's people. So I want to value this thing. In that case, now we say, we use that to the paper owner. See the woman, they beg her, I don't say yes, you could raise the shoulder. And a lot of people did. People with that woman, when surround that woman, and evil people. And that woman will give this guy document. We just the beg her for nothing. Evil people when surround that girl, not be here. You just say, I don't want to be else, Bobby don't define trouble. The people in surround that girl no will see. Guy, you forget that people safe. People in surround that your SBB, that your ex-wife, they don't let her give you no level. And that your ex-wife now. She never know what she they do now. Or when the time don't come, then she understand say he made mistake. Just like the way my Mama Shidera talk, the energy when he go put for a new relationship, if he put her for say, okay, may I take this man document and make it love this pikin, it will good. And no man will love your pikin past the way Papa be. If you let me go play fatherly role for this, if you let me you buy 1 billion of carton of Indomie go there, you are just fooling yourself, you are disgracing yourself. At the end of the day, you will still be tata. Not be all these women when me know. May I shock you now? I don't you see 50 items go woman house like this, so I sit down for parlor, and I sit down reach 2 minutes. Then you should stone my house. Then you should stone my house. I be father of the year. I be husband material.
Talk.
I be husband material. I the asshole. I'm just look like you dey laugh for this app. If I do some kind of things sometimes.
I beg, best mommy, I beg. I for say me you put the comment section for them first. I beg, make them see their opinion.
They not do double tap. Make nobody on my comment section. And they not do double tap. They know they gift me no wahala. Them not get money. They poor. No agree. Make the double tap. They not agree. So their opinion is not needed. Continue, my brother. Until 120,000, not go open and make them go on that platform.
Okay, mommy, God will bless you. I beg, Ali Baba, I beg. No verse, unmute yourself, I beg. I want you to ask you.
Okay, Bobby. No, I want to leave now. My sister, may I quickly appreciate you. You are doing a great job, yeah?
Exactly.
I see your videos. You're teaching our women so well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Zaddy, God bless you. I take your advice. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Bobby, all right, now we'll see later.
No reasonable, no matter.
No, you not king.
For here with the call.
Your advice is cool.
Let's call the twist. That be our lecturer. And here with the call, we forget all our wisdom. What they pour for them?
I beg, Ali Baba. I beg. When
so I hear you. I hear you, sir.
Na criminal case carry you go prison.
Now the woman go the for case you not anything.
Who they play music now?
Oh, sorry, not me. Sorry.
Yeah. You say what you talk?
Sorry, no verse.
What you talk?
Now she go the me for case we not reach anything now.
Which case he do you for?
He said they beat her.
Okay. You know what you mean?
You want to kill her first before you know say reach something.
Now what you make me claim?
No, mama twins. You know, I know they feel they talk because most of the time between they happen.
I'm gonna tell you something. Don't worry. I don't read you. I don't do here for more than 1 hour since. I don't read everything when they happen here. Make I tell you number one, bros. Depression will do your body. Not be only you want a day your body. You know this. So for France, they calm down. Make person not go prison for what you no expect. If you this as a leader money, police don't come. And if they carry, as you don't go prison because of that woman, only as the woman sign that paper, where that lawyer say me sign. I want to tell you something. So now what will give you document? You see all those friends where they follow that your ex-wife no fit stop stop your document. Only way to go give you document, I want to tell you so. Every month, they say 20 euro for your woman account.
She not going give me account.
Wait, no, if you not give you account, you will go tell lawyer say he not give you account. Then what you go
if
do?
Lawyer go ask her which work he dey work, what you want tell lawyer?
No, 20 euro. No, you get right if you know the work for France. Now law, if you know the work for France, you get right to the pay 20 euro to your pikin. If you pay that 20 euro. Wait now, may I tell you what I know now. They calm down. You don't take a platform like this. Not everybody will come want tell you the reality. Now France are there. You the feel me so. Now France are there. You the feel me. The person of lawyer when you use, you don't say not be your lawyer, be lawyer. If you want to use lawyer, no use government lawyer. If you want to use lawyer, go use private lawyer. If that private lawyer go make sure say that woman, no use my go be private lawyer. If you dey pay 20 euro to that woman account, if the woman not going to give you account, you go request for account. You can go court, go request for account. Say you want to give your pikin money. They will come say me you go to pay that money to CAF. CAF go give you the account. If you don't know that, you know you get account where government go give you when you go to pay that 20 euro for. They go to minus that money from your woman money from CAF. Money where government they pay your wife, they'll call the minus that 20 euro. That 20 euro come out. Now waiting, you go fit to get documents. Now be this. If you dey support your baby for money, you know the work. If they ask you, you know the work. Black job not there for France. Say black job. If they do black job, say na work. Black job not be work. Nobody go figure report you say they do black job because evidence to prove not there. You not get fees to pay. You know this. Normal as your sister tell you say anything where you dey buy for your pikin, make they keep the document. Very important. If you want go greet your children, ticket where you take go and come. Not to where. If you dey pay 20 euro. For the account, if they want to go court again, they go ask you what I tell you so. You will really remember say I tell you this. They'll ask you say, okay, what you tell they support your baby? You will tell them say see, they pay the 20 euro where you feel get. They go ask you say you tell they get the money. You tell them say sometimes your friend you feel beg they give you. You know this and you know go you tell them say see the mail how you tell they get the money. Anybody when you say in they send you the work, make it tell them for court. The court go tell us say make it bring proof. Of how you tell they do the black job. No, you don't go see the proof because fees the pay all day. You know, if you do all those one, yours calm down, bro, because that fight where they follow that he present boyfriend the fight, it too risky. Because why? If they catch you, brother, if they fit you say leave the France or they'll deport you, they don't go really say you get baby. You all limit that fight. Because brother, if you don't marry, get some issue where one come up between you and your woman, your weird shit, you will come up for his house. Because that fight, it will lead you to another thing. The document, you don't go see her. Even your baby, you don't see her for her. You get your fight, you don't say me, you know, they see your baby again. Because you did violate. That baby, if they say me, you call the see her, they don't know what you go do. Whether you feel go buy them or you feel go the injure them, they don't know. They'll stop you to they see your baby. But if you know the fight, your record where they concord, they clean. Bros, your paper no go stress. As soon as your baby get they approve your baby for France, they make she get document. If you feel they pay that 20 euro, your wait nothing 6 months. If you pay that 20 euro, they'll call you, make you collect your paper. No fight again. If you still fight, you don't finish. Mama, thank you very much. You try, mommy. What say?
Ologbo, I never come out. I follow you talk quickly. I want to talk, please. Let me talk.
Don't ask me a question.
Let me talk, bro. Friday, please. You will talk. Friday, Anthony. Ologbo.
I deal with you.
Okay. Inside. Let me just bring up because we still the inside 4 months.